getting really windy.
I'm feeling a little wind too.
Hey, what is the smell now?
I feel cold.
Me too.
I think it's a blizzard.
Let's go inside.
Okay, let's talk about safety tips. If you want to travel by car during a blizzard, you must have an emergency exit, including blankets, matches, candles, foods, flashlights, and batteries, and a first aid kit.
To avoid hypothermia, stay inside. Wear layers if you need to go out. If you get stuck in the snow, don't leave the car. If you can leave the window open a little for fresh air. If you go outside and your clothes get wet, change them as soon as possible. Now let's go eat some hoagie puffs while we wait for the blizzard to stop.
This is a great idea.